what's up guys, it's Pete back here and we're back in Ashford Line as promised. And so now we have, as you can see, we have here Ashford Line and 4 events just ended, among which 2 were daily events and 2 multipliers ended. So let's see, yeah, let's go and see. But first let me check out the new bundle. It says there's a new bundle, so let me check that out. So not here of course. Let's claim the free pack first. Okay, so exotic rides, some trade coins for that. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, we have an ad pack. Oh hello, we have something unique here. 718 Cayman GT4 Club Sport pack. Okay, now normally this is, I think this one contains the key. Yeah, so I don't need this, okay, because I have this car. If I can show you guys the garage, my garage, it's a class D car, as D or C as much as I can remember. So yeah, there was the Grand Prix of this car and I got the car. It's a 2-star car. It's good. So I have this car. So that's one good thing. We don't need to unlock the packs. Now, for now, let me just say, in the Classic Series, I was supposed to finish in the Legend League and top 5000. So I had to play to get all the rewards. And once I got all the rewards, I got knocked out of the Legend League. And after that, like, there was a series of very bad events, and like my temper got lost, and ultimately I didn't play it ultimately, so I couldn't finish in Legend. I finished in Platinum, and also we missed the top 5000, but we got top 10,000 rewards. So anyways, let's claim the rewards. So we have 10 tokens, 1 Zenvo, and the Platinum pack. Not much. Okay, so let's see what do we get. Oh come on man, that's useless. There's an Acura and a Platinum pack. That's useless. So I think the tokens and the Zenvo were useful, but come on man, why are the rewards so bad? Okay, so we have a Slipstream series. This time the World Series is Slipstream. Okay, this should be interesting. And we're finishing here. So I got the top 3000 rewards here in the Ford GT1. So okay, so we have the BXR Bailey here. Not very useful, again, this part. Honestly speaking, the multiplayer rewards have degraded a lot. Okay, now for the daily events. So Happy Bastille Day ends, and we have, what is this? Okay, so the legendary weekend. So we have the legendary weekend here, and let's see. Okay, I think we need to unlock the car for this one. Okay, I think we need to unlock the car for this one, and luckily I have the car. I have it unlocked, so I can participate. So anyways, so it's Happy Bastille Day. Let's claim it. I finished in top 5%. Again, some trade coins. The main useful thing in these events are the tokens. I'm only playing for the tokens only. I need tokens. So Class S Elite. This is not very good because I have only 1-star Cian. We had only 1-star Cian to participate with, so as a result, not very good that one. But anyways, at least we got something, right? So I think this is gonna be on the multiplayer. So let's give it a, first of all, trial series. Do we need to unlock the BXR? It is a free try. Okay, so this is a free try. So let's try this on out. First, let's try out the BXR. Okay, so this is my first race in the BXR multiplayer. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, we're in a server. Let's see where we're going. Okay, we're going Scotland, the cave. It's a very short track. So yeah, and all cars here are preset to a specified rank, the max rank. So no chance of having imbalance in ranks. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay. So I don't know whether this begins in the ghost mode or not, and this is not a Slipstream series, but But the classic one is a slipstream. Whoa. Okay, that was the problem with the BXR is that it's just too fast. It's a bit extra fast. We don't need this amount of speed sometimes. And you know, high speed sometimes can lead to real high instability, and that is actually not very good. Especially if you're going at high speeds, if the car is unstable, there's a very high chance you can wreck at any moment if you don't have perfect control. What the hell just happened there? The game froze there for a second. I don't know why. Let's go. And first race, I'm ending it in second position. Okay, not bad for a beginning. Not bad for a beginning. Okay, so as far as this concerns, the old multiplayer rules are still not effective. Okay, the new multiplayer rules which really frustrated us, those are still on. So racers, watch out for that. So let me get 4 shots on this, and then we'll go to the classic one. Let me go 4 times on this. 1 is done, and 3 more times are left. Oh, come on. What the hell? Okay, we're in. Okay, Rome, capital of the world. So we have very bracketed emoji, Mehul Jain, Sally and Sid, a Chinese guy, Gosh TH, RPM Sid the dude, and Sunjay Kumar. Okay, let's go. Oh, come on, guys. Yeah. And why has everyone colored their BXR red all of a sudden? Okay. You gotta be careful in this part. Whoa. If that had been solid, it would have sure been a knockdown for me. I mean, I would have been knocked down. Okay. Go. Gotta have speed in this part. Okay, execute the jump properly. Okay, I'm in the lead here. Gotta maintain it. Okay, go. This BXR series has started greatly for me. It's very good as far as I can say. I don't know still why there's a slipstream in the classic mode. Drift. This is an easy win. Like my opponents are totally dissipated from the map itself. And across the line. Whoa. 199999. Whoa. That's a unique time. No, that's a unique time. That's a unique time there. So I just took a screenshot there just to show my clubmates this unique time. Anyways, so that's true. So this series has started in a good fashion for me. First in our first race we placed second, in our second race we placed first. Wait, yeah, that actually kind of rhymed. Okay, this is my third attempt. This is my third attempt in the BXR Bailey multiplayer. So again Rome, okay, but this time it's the Pantheon split. So we have Ibrahim Azab, Biswajit, some Chinese guy, Jojo Chinese, 2265, 4279, and Aquila. Okay, wait, Aquila means Aquila Negra? Is he that guy? You know the guy, you know, Asphalt has been posting tweets saying that he's been posting some pretty good runs. Okay, let's see. Okay. Properly execute that? Okay. I was worried that I would crash there, but never mind. Okay, drift. Whoa! Drift, take it, and go. crashed into that split. Okay, gotta go properly here. Let's go. Drift. Okay, so that Jojo Chinese guy came first. Never mind. I'm second. Oh, and I'm in the silver league. I mean, sorry, not in the silver, rookie. We don't use the word silver for this one. I think, honestly speaking, I've reached the rookie league, so I'll do this one later. Okay, so we have a club reward too. I'll claim that later also. Okay, so this is Slipstream World Series. Now, this is the real thing which I want to check out. Can we begin with the Silver League? No. Okay. So we can't begin with Silver League. Let's go then Lotus. Okay. I know what a Slipstream is. Never mind. So since I played 3 times on the BXR multiplayer, I'll play 3 times here too. Okay. So in 3 times in the BXR series, I could make it in silver. Let's see if from novice to rookie. Yeah, from novice to rookie. I keep confusing the terms. From novice to rookie in 3 races. Let's see if I can do the same here. Okay. Boyfriend, Persebaya, 1927. Proteri, M. Hutt, Driver 5085, Aspava, and Yo-Yo Tutas. Whoa, weird name, man. Weird name. Anyways, so it's in Osaka. Let's go. So let's just wait because it's a Slipstream series. Let's begin off with a shockwave there. I mean, why the hell is this multiplayer Slipstream of all things? Okay, and apparently the cars are also solid, which means knockdowns are very much allowed and knockdowns will be there. Okay, Akira, get out of my face. Whoa! Okay, and then no! Akira, come on, man, that black Akira, come on. Hey, Viper, wait, how is he driving a Viper? I think people who finished in the Legend League last season are actually, starting from silver. So anyways, never mind. It's a disadvantage, alright, but we'll have to manage with that. After all, there's nothing we can do about it. Whoa. Oh, no, don't crash. This series is a mess, man. Literally my game hung up there. This series is a mess. I mean, the BXR is good, but this one is a mess. I have to say that this one is a mess. Really? Like, was there any need for this minus? I mean, I'm already bronze. Yeah. Okay, so we didn't have a very great start at this. Oh, come on, seriously. 7,000. From now on, leave us 7,000. Come on. That black Acura ruined everything. If I hadn't knocked down at the first, we would have won that. We were doing pretty well. Let's try to avoid the Osaka tracks, okay? Okay, so we have Abbas, we have Jeffu, we have Pryson, Faris Mobile, 175, and we have someone without a name, a lone wolf, and FTGNA. Okay, let's go. And this is San Fran. Okay, I'll choose San Fran over Osaka any day, man. San Fran is way better than Osaka. Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Don't get knocked out. Okay, so far so good. Man. Come on, man, I need to win this. You know, I can't just wait to go into Silver League. But I'm worried about what will happen. Like, honestly speaking, I don't care whether I finish in the Legend League or not in these things. Like, these are just not worth it. They are just not worth it. So, anyways. Okay, no! No! Why does this always happen? That was a sure shot win. No, this is exactly what I'm talking about, okay. Like this, that was a sure shot win. Like this literally happened on purpose. Like this is exactly the same thing which happened last time, and I just simply got frustrated, you know. Like a fair knockout, it's a fair knockout, okay. But taking out races like this, I think it's a bit unfair to the racers, okay. Like last time, shockwaves weren't activating, and like odd things were happening. Okay, I don't want to talk about it because if I talk about it, like I'll lose my temper again. Yeah, it's not that I didn't get into Legend League last time. I did get into Legend League like 3 or 4 times. But then again, I had to claim all the rewards. So going to claim all the rewards, I couldn't make it back to the Legend League. I mean, I could have, but they didn't show ads, and then I couldn't refuel the cars in time. It was very bad. So this series isn't very good at all. The start of this series hasn't been at all very smooth or pleasant. I'd say the BXR is more. I have more of a chance in the BXR series. But what I want to say is, why are the multiplayer rewards so crappy, man? Like, what did we get from Platinum Pack? Acura. Really? You could have given me some 0-1s, man. I really need to unlock that car. Please let nothing bad happen this time, please. Like last time I was in the lead like this, and like horrible wreck. Okay. Like I literally moved from my stock rank downwards. This is not fair, man. Okay, it's best to do some 360 degrees because no one is around. Okay, our first win in the Slipstream series. Okay, 43. So at least that we got +3. I mean, we started at 1050, so we have 1053 now. It's good. Okay, and one last race, and then I'll end the video, I think. So 4651, huh? Gotta do better. So yeah, we're tired of falling behind. So let's go. The one good thing about the Class D cars is that the fuels take very low time to refuel, you know. It takes very low time to refuel. So that's one good thing. So Caribbean beach landing. Okay, so we are alone in the dark. Team Gretchen, Stels, Aditzu, Boss Thor, Venom, and David 35. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go for the shockwaves. Okay. Still strong competition behind us. Don't knock me down, man. He's actually doing good, the Viper. Okay. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay, that was a weird jump, but as long as we're executed it, I'm happy. Whoa, don't give me those emojis, man. Let me give a smiley emoji then too. Oh, by the way, today is World Emoji Day, so for every one of my viewers, happy World Emoji Day. Let's give some more emojis here. Yeah, let's give an angry emoji. Although I'm not really angry now. Yeah, let's give it. Yeah. Okay. So connecting to the server. Can you do it? Yeah. Okay. So we got the second card pack too. Okay, so we didn't have a very good start for the classic multiplayer series. It's a slipstream series also. So, actually, let me check the rewards first. Okay, I mean the milestones. So, are they similar to the last one? Yeah. Yes. Every milestone is similar to the last one. Just like the last classic multiplayer series, every milestone is similar to that. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's actually good because I can unlock the zero one then. Okay guys, so that's it for this one, and this was totally on the gameplay of the multiplayer. So overall, as you all saw, no multiplayer rules have changed. Okay, every multiplayer rule is same as it happened last season, and I hope Asphalt that Asphalt changes it. Like this great number of minuses in the classic multiplayer series, it really is frustrating. So I hope that Asphalt changes that. Okay. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, it really helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, stay safe, and as always, keep speeding. Okay guys, see ya.